Hi, Mama Cat. Mama Cat. I'm sorry. I have only a little. I have only few chicken bones because my boss throw it. She don't care if you eat or not. This not uh, it will not enough to all of you. I am very sorry. Okay. First come first serve. You only finish this. I'm sorry. Here. Yala, eat. Okay, sorry guys. Guys, I'm very sorry. Yala, good night, Mama Cat. Good night. And to you, I'm sorry. I don't have enough plenty food. Ay. Good night. Good night.